everybody, welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. If you guys watched my live video last night, I said that I don't think I'm going to hit level 4. I mean, I've been hitting level 4 on Ibotta for the last, I think, 5 or 6 months. A lot of you guys enjoy this. A lot of you guys hit levels you've never hit before. And this whole entire month has been really bad with Ibotta. Like, there was a really good bonus, but I needed to get 30 bonus, or 30 items just to hit that bonus. I'm like, I'm not going to get any close to that. But, I needed 20 rebates to finish level 4 on Ibotta, and I didn't think I was going to make it, and then I'm like, okay, let me start searching around. So I was like just searching around for deals. I mean, I do follow some people and I kind of copied their deals, like on, you know, Crazy Coupon Lady and Free Stuff Finder. But I ended up like scrounging around and I found some deals on my own, so I was pretty excited about that. So I am here to show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting these hefty storage bags. These were $1.98 at my store. Now, you guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon, you guys would pay $2.96 for both of these, but then you can submit on Ibotta $1.50 off of 2, making the final price for both of these just $1.46 or 73 cents, which I think is a great deal. So we got that. If you guys have the coupons.com app, they have a freebie. It's eggs, and I always get the most eggs I can get with my buck because it says off any eggs up to $2.50. So you guys want to get a pack of eggs. My eggs were $1.97 for a 18 pack. You guys would pay whatever your price is, so I'd pay $1.97. And then you can submit your receipt, and then you guys will get your money back sent to your PayPal account. So I got 18 eggs for free. I feel like with the coupons.com app, I'll never have to pay for eggs ever again. This was a good deal that I found. So this was Aveeno, okay? These are just the daily moisturizing lotion. This is 5 ounces. These were $4.26 a piece for these. I had a $5 off of 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. So I paid $3.52 for the both of these. Then you can also submit a $3 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just 52 cents. That is an awesome deal. 52 cents for both of these. That's like, I don't know, like 26 cents a piece. So you can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting the Del Monte fruit refreshers. This was $2.18 for this. I'm sorry, my notes are like everywhere because I'm not going in the order. Yeah, $2.18. I used a $1 off coupon from delmonte.com. I would pay $1.18 for this, but then you guys submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. Plus, you guys can scan this item and submit your receipt from Shopkicks. But after Ibotta, it comes out to 68 cents for this. And so I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and right here it says sorry, you guys can't read it. It says congrats on 300 kicks. So I submitted my receipt right when I got home. So I got 300 kicks for this item and another item. So there's that. So I got that. I ended up getting this. Oh, I don't know where it went. I ended up doing this Kotex deal. Now, I always have problems every single time I go to Walmart with these coupons. None of the coupons ever scanned. She scanned it, it didn't work. She scanned it again, it worked just fine. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm so happy that this worked. So this was $2.97. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay 97 cents for this. But then you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this pretty much a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, they have a deal where if you buy Kotex and you buy Motrin, Yeah, no. Okay, So these were $3.98. There's that dollar off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $2.98 for this. But then you guys can submit $1.50 on Ibotta. And so you guys would end up getting this just for $1.48. Now, if you guys buy both of these items together, you get a $1 bonus. So if you think about it, I got both of these items for 48 cents, which I think is an awesome deal. That's like a quarter a piece, which is a awesome deal, and that counts as 2 separate rebates. I ended up getting the Suave body wash because, I don't know, some of you guys might have different coupons, but the coupons that I have is $1 off of 2, and the Ibotta rebate's only for 1, so I didn't use any coupons. So this was $1.88. You guys would pay $1.88, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can submit your receipt for Fetch Rewards. If you guys don't know how Shopkicks works, if you don't know how Fetch Rewards works, I have a video link down in the information below. You guys can watch that. If you click my referral links, you guys get extra points. So if you buy this item, scan your receipt, you get extra bonus points for that for Fetch Rewards. But after the Ibotta rebate, this comes out to be $1.13. Not the greatest deal, but I got it anyways because I wanted to hit my levels. So, and I think this actually smells really good. So there is that. My store, I always shop clearance. I always shop clearance everywhere I go because you never know what you're going to find. So they had this Axe hair shine gel. It was originally $6.87. I got it for $3.50. I ended up using a $2 off coupon that I got from coupons.com like a while ago, and it wasn't expired till like February. So I ended up paying $1.50 for this, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. So I got this absolutely free. So I was pretty excited about that. I got the Carmex lip balm because I wanted to get some great deals. So this was 98 cents. I used a 35-cent off coupon that we guys can print off of Carmex.com. You guys would pay just 63 cents for this, but then you can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 38 cents. I got these Twix ice cream bars. Now, I bought these before and there's been coupons inside. So I ended up using a $1 coupon that I got from these in the past. So if you guys still have these, if you bought some like at other places, look inside for coupons. So this was $2.78. I used that $1 off coupon. I paid $1.78 for this, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 28 cents. And there is 6 bars in here for 28 cents. Yeah. I gotta hide these from my husband because he'll eat them. And I don't want him to. I want them for me. Yeah. I ended up getting the Newmans. I like this stuff. I want to do this deal before the coupon expires. I want to get more ranch dressing. So this was $2.98. I used that $1 off coupon. You guys would just pay $1.98. You guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 98 cents. Now you don't have to get ranch dressing. You can get tons of other dressing. I just don't eat salad. I'm a very picky eater, but I like ranch, and this is actually very good ranch dressing. I ended up getting, I got this Brooks chili beans. My husband makes chili with this stuff, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get a can of this because there's a deal in Ibotta. So this was just 78 cents. You guys would pay 78 cents for this, but then you can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 53 cents. So couldn't pass that up. I ended up getting some Quaker oats. I kind of am craving some oatmeal, but I might make cookies with this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But I ended up getting the old-fashioned and quick 1-minute oatmeal. So this was $2.28. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from, I think last week. I'm not sure on that. You guys would pay $3.56 for this, but then you can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, and you guys can submit your receipt for Fetch Rewards. You get points with this, and this final price comes to be $1.56 after Ibotta, which I think is a pretty good deal, and I'll get bonus points for Fetch. Fetch Rewards. Okay, I'm going to say this wrong. Contadina. I got the crushed tomatoes. These were $1.54. I used a 50-cent off coupon that was on coupons.com. You pay $1 for. You can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 54 cents. I got the Crunchmaster crackers. These were $2.78. I didn't have any coupons, so you guys would pay $2.78. But then you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and you also can submit a $1 rebate on Checkout 51. And you guys can also get points by scanning this and submitting your receipt through through Shopkicks. So I got points with that. So this ends up becoming just 78 cents after the 2 rebates. And then I got my last deals for you. I'm trying to get more food, and I'm like, oatmeal's good and healthy for you guys. So I'm trying to get more food deals. I know a lot of you guys really like the food deals, and I feel like I got a lot of food. I'm awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so I did the Pillsbury deal again because I wanted to get my rebates. So this was $2.18. This was $1, or a doll hair is what I sometimes say. And the cinnamon rolls were $1.66, okay? I used $1 off a 3 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $3.84 for this, but then you guys can submit 3 different rebates on Ibotta for 40 cents each of them, so 40, 40, and 40. You guys would get all 3 of these for $2.64, which I think is a great deal because that comes out to be less than $1. I mean, this is just $2.18 right there, so that ends up becoming less than $1 for every one. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I wanted to really show you guys some deals. Hopefully you guys can, you know, hit level 4. Like I said, January was a very bad month, but you know what? I'm shocked I made it. I really was shocked. I'm like, do I have to go to another store before the month ends just to finish this? So before coupons, my total came to $50.20 for everything. After coupons, it came to $33.35. All my coupons scanned just fine. Like I said, I had a hiccup with the Kotex, but she scanned it again and it worked. I got $15.95 back with Ibotta. I hit level 4, so I got $2. I also got a $2 bonus for that big game. They just started that. I think it just started yesterday or today. I also got a $1 bonus for the Morton and Kotex. And then I got $1 from checkout 51. And then I'll be getting $1.97 back for the eggs on coupons.com. So if you guys think about it, I got 21 items for $9.43. That comes up to be 45 cents a piece. And I think I did awesome. Like less than 10 bucks for some decent stuff. And I got some food. So I was pretty excited with what I got. If you guys enjoy this haul, give it a thumbs up. If you guys enjoy my channel, give it a thumbs up. If you guys just like everything that I do, give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. Also, there's a little notification bell that you guys can click if you want to get notified every time I post a video. I mentioned it last night. I will be doing more live videos for you guys. Hey. I'm pretty excited about that. My whole family had fun doing my live video. A lot of you guys did it, and it's nice to answer questions right then and there instead of like, you know, writing. So definitely stay tuned. I'll be probably do one maybe every other week. It just depends, or I might just surprise you and show up. But I will see you guys all later, and help me get a catchphrase. A lot of you guys saying I need a catchphrase. You know, I know Couponing with Tony says I love you to the moon and back. So, I don't know. Help me make a catchphrase. I might do a little contest with something like that. So, hit that button. Let me know you guys are enjoying this stuff. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.